Morning guys, welcome to Offroad for Life. So lots of you want to know what's going on with the sardines. So guys, I thought I'd just bring you a quick update as to what's happening. So it's Sunday morning, it's approximately 11 o'clock and everything seems to be quiet guys. So we have people down in Amanzimtoti, they're looking in that area to Winkelspirit, possibly further down. And I'm down in Isipingo beach and one of the boats are down here guys. Gulam, full up. So we looked the entire morning guys and we found absolutely nothing. So the conditions have improved. The water looks much better, calmer, but it still has that brownish tinge. So we're possibly into the incoming tide. So we'll have a look guys. So we had reports that we are still quite a number of shoals quite far down the coast in the Port St. John's area. So hopefully they will still come through guys. And also just to clarify the news reporting regarding the sardines. So guys, from the people I've seen and the people I chatted to, those reporting are unconfirmed, so it hasn't been confirmed. So I have eaten some of those sardines and seem to have no issues. So guys, we'll wait a little longer for more clarity as to what's going on with regards to the contamination of those sardines. So right now everything's very quiet guys. We're down in Isipingo. We have a team down in Amanzimtoti Winkelspirit and we'll keep you posted guys. So I thought I'd just bring you this quick update as lots of people wanted to know what's happening with regards to the sardines. So guys, there's no sight at all of these sardines. Durban's still closed, and as it clears up guys, I'm sure they'll allow us to net down there. So once again guys, thanks for watching, take care, cheers.